Math Uncle makes math easy. Rata banat samajhna shuru karo. Math Uncle makes math easy.
Hi friends, welcome to Math Uncle. Today I will be teaching you about integers, whole numbers, positive integers and negative integers. But before that, I want you to just picturize a scene. There is an ocean. You are in the middle of the ocean. You are in a boat. You look up and you see a helicopter at a certain height, maybe 10 meters. Then you look beyond the helicopter, you see an aeroplane going over around, let's say, 20-meter height or whatever. Then you are so inquisitive, you're in the boat, you want to see down. You see down, you see a diver at around 1 meter. Then you see colorful fishes. And you must be thinking whether I'm teaching you whole integers or what am I trying to tell you. If I draw a line from the aeroplane till the fishes you're seeing in the animation, I've just drawn a number line. Anything from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 meters till infinity are whole numbers. Anything below 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 till infinity are negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but it is an even number. 0 is an even number, remember that. And positive integers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because if they don't have a sign, that means the default sign is plus. So, and integers is a set of all the numbers from 0 to negative to positive. That is what integers are. The set of all the positive and negative and 0 numbers. You can see everything behind. Now, I always used to have problem in understanding the greater than and less than sign. I always used to get very, very confused. What is greater, what is less? For example, if you see on the number line, 2 is less than 3. आपके पास 2 बिस्किट है, वो 3 बिस्किट से तो कम ही है ना? लेकिन when you go on the left, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Like being in debt, let's say कि आपके पास you have to give somebody 2 biscuits, minus 2 biscuits. Suppose you have to give minus 3, so you become in deeper trouble. So greater than and less than, I'll teach you a special way to remember. You must have heard that song by Tony Montana, Bala, and which was recently picturized on Akshay Kumar. What a beautiful song, Bala, Bala, Bala. I love that song. So let me just use that song and tell you. Just write L. L is for less than and L is also for left. And when you tilt the L a bit, Bala, 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 Bala. See, it becomes less than sign. L for less than, L for left, and whenever you keep on going to the left, you keep on losing your value. You keep on becoming lesser and lesser. Like if you see, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Getting it? So whenever you're on the left, you'll keep on losing the value. Getting it? And whenever you go on the right, I have also created a good slide for greater than. You can see it behind. If you want to become greater, you have to be righteous. So be righteous, be great. The numbers on the left are less and the right are great. The numbers on the left are less and the right are great. So that's how you'll never forget about what is greater than and what is less than. And now talking about ocean and the boat we were in, which you were saying, let me tell you about, we saw a movie called Jaws. It was like a very good movie, but after that, during the lockdown, I was just flipping through the TV channels and I saw a very good movie. It was a movie about 2 sisters who are asked by a tourist guide to come in the middle of the ocean, and then he tells them that if they want to see sharks, then they should go in a cage and go 3 to 4 meters down, and then they'll be able to see the shark. And suddenly you know what happens. When they're down in the shark, so they could see the sharks, suddenly their cage breaks. And the cage breaks and they keep on going down and down and down and down and down and down and down. And they reach the seabed, the ocean bed. So, if you see the vertical thing, as you keep on going down and down, the chances of you surviving becomes lesser and lesser. And as you rise above, the chances of your surviving become greater. So just in case you're thinking about the sea level and all that, you'll know whenever you're going down, the chances of survival are getting lesser and lesser. Oh, I just remembered, you can see the poster. The name of the movie was 47 Meters Down. What a movie. After Jaws, the movie I liked was this one. And by the way, I've just explained all the whole thing to you. And don't forget to listen to a theme song. It's like we've composed it and it's very foot tapping number. Whenever you study, whenever I was a kid, I used to study. And after studying, my head used to become very heavy. So I used to listen to music, any music which I like. So we composed a music which might make you feel much more happier and lighter in the head. So that's it. See you. Bye.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Rata banat samajhna shuru karo. Math Uncle makes math easy.